Welcome student in the virtual class organized by Siddharth Sisusadan. We have studied many of the things. Today we are going to start profit loss, discount and VAT for class 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. Especially this is our lifestyle, because when we are going to market to buy some things and we have to buy some things and we are giving money and then we have to manage, we have to calculate the price of the things, when we got discount, when we get profit, when we get loss. Especially it is for shopkeepers and we customers also. Suppose we buy a camera for RS 5000 and sells it for RS 6500. Then what is here, profit or loss? Profit means nafa, loss means ghata. It means we have made profit. We have made profit. How can we calculate the profit? The profit means profit is equal to selling price minus purchase price. It means 6500 minus 5000 is equal to RS 1500, like this. Yes, we are practicing in our daily life. Daily by daily we go to market, buy some things and sell some things and we calculate by selling or purchasing, we got a profit or loss, everything is there. So it is our daily life activity, and let us start the such terms over here. When CP means here is cost price या purchase price. SP means selling price or sold price. Profit और यसलाई गेन पनि भन्छ हामी, गेन यो हो नाफा. लस यो घाटा. Next is when selling price is greater than cost price. When, look here, selling price is greater than cost price. What happens then? Then profit amount is equal to selling price minus cost price. When we rearrange it, then we get two formula also. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit amount, or cost price is equal to selling price minus profit amount. Profit is always calculate only on the cost price. प्रॉफिट चाहिँ जहिले पनि कोस्ट प्राइसमा क्याल्कुलेट गर्छ। अब 20 रुपैयाँ प्रॉफिट भयो मतलब 100 मा सामान दिएको छ कुनै, 20 रुपैयाँ प्रॉफिट भयो मतलब 100 मा 20 रुपैयाँ प्रॉफिट भयो, कति पर्सेन्ट भयो त त्यही निकाल्नु पर्छ। यानी प्रॉफिट जहिले पनि सीपी मा लाग्छ, कोस्ट प्राइस मा लाग्छ। तो when profit percent and cost price are given, profit percent and cost price are given, profit amount is equal to profit percent of cost price, profit percent of cost price, is it? Next, profit percent is equal to profit percent is equal to actual profit amount by cost price into 100%, or profit percent is equal to actual profit amount means SP minus CP, SP minus CP by CP into 100%. This is right. Next is when CP and profit percent are given. The first of all, SP is equal to what? SP, we are going to derive the formula. SP is equal to CP plus profit amount, right? CP plus profit amount, and look here, CP plus profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP, profit percent of CP. Look here, CP plus, take the common, CP 1 plus profit percent, right? And when we break the profit percent, P by 100, yeah, CP into 100 LCM, 100 plus P by 100. यहाँ हामी therefore SP is equal to CP into 100 plus P percent by 100. यहाँ हामी चिन्हको लागि मात्रै पर्सेन्ट दिन्छौं किनकि यो भ्यालु, यो P जुन हुन्छ यहाँ पर्सेन्ट को भ्यालु मात्रै लेखिन्छ, तर फेरि त्यसलाई पर्सेन्टेजमा तोड्नु पर्दैन, पर्सेन्टलाई by 100 गरेर तोड्नु पर्दैन, बिकज इन फर्मुलामा अलरेडी नै यो कुरा क्याल्कुलेट भइसकेको छ, राइट? यदि 10% हो भने 10 मात्रै राख्नु पर्छ, 10 by 100 गर्नु पर्दैन, इज इट? नेक्स्ट चाहिँ और सिम्पली, और यसको लागि यदि योग गरेनौ भने हामी डाइरेक्ट योग गर्न सक्छौं। directly you can say SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP, CP plus profit percent of CP, यसलाई क्याल्कुलेट गरे पुगिहाल्छ, राइट? when SP and profit percent are given, when SP and profit percent are given, so look here, SP is equal to formula कति छ? CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. अब यसलाई हामी क्रस गुणा गर्यो भने के हुन्छ? त CP into 100 plus profit percent is equal to SP into 100. Therefore CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. यो हुन्छ CP को फर्मुला, इज इट? यस, त्यसैले हामी यहाँ डिराइभ गरेर हेरिरहेका छौं। यु क्यान अल्सो डिराइभ at your home in your exercise book to get the clear concept over there, is it? Next is when SP is less than CP, when SP is less than CP, then what happened? When we buy a pen for Rs20 and sell it for Rs15, what will happen then? It means it happens loss. How much? 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 rupees loss over there. It means cost price minus selling price. Yes, loss amount is equal to cost price minus selling price, and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss amount, or cost price is equal to selling price plus loss amount. Is it? And loss is also calculated only on cost price. Only on cost price. Loss is also calculated only on cost price, means when CP and loss percent are given, then loss amount is equal to loss percent of CP. Loss percent of CP over here. Loss percent of CP. Look here. Next, when and loss percent is equal to actual loss amount by CP into 100%. Is it? Yes. Or loss amount is equal to CP minus SP, or CP minus SP by CP into 100%. This is the loss percentage formula. Is it? When next is when CP and loss percent are given. CP and loss percent are given. What will be the direct formula for selling price? Selling price is equal to what? Selling price is equal to CP minus loss amount, right? And CP minus loss amount is equal to loss percent of CP. Loss percent of CP यो पनि एउटा डाइरेक्ट फर्मुला भयो। अब यसैलाई हामी डिराइभ गर्छौं भने CP कमन 1 माइनस लस पर्सेन्ट इज इक्वल टु CP 1 माइनस L by 100 is equal to CP 100 LCM 100 minus L. Therefore SP is equal to CP into 100 minus L percent. यो मात्र यहाँ चिन्हको लागि दिइन्छ, मात्र यदि 10% हो भने 10 मात्रै हाल्ने, 10 by 100 नगर्ने by 100. This is the direct formula for selling price. Next is when SP and loss percent are given. When SP and loss percent are given, how can we calculate CP? So look here, SP is equal to, how much is the formula? CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Then we have to cross guna over here. CP 100 minus loss percent is equal to SP into 100. Therefore CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. This is formula for CP. When SP and loss percent are given directly, we can find out cost price by using this formula. Next, discount. Discount. What is discount? Generally, students, especially you are going to buy some books in book stall, and you are saying to the bookseller how much discounts you are providing, 5%, 10%, 15%, etc. It means discounts means discount is an amount. It is an amount given to the customer, only some percent on the marked price, listed price or level price of any material. When we go to buy some things, then there is written maximum retail price in the level of the material. When we go to buy some books, then there is a maximum retail price is 120 rupees, 150 rupees, 180 rupees. Yes, that price is called listed price. जुन त्यसमा दाम लेखेको हुन्छ, प्राइस लेखेको हुन्छ, त्यो नै हो लिस्टेड प्राइस. अनि लिस्टेड प्राइसमा केही पर्सेन्ट हामीलाई शॉपकीपरले छुट दिन्छ, हामीलाई शॉपकीपरले छाड दिन्छ. अब 100 मा 10% छाड दियो, 10 रुपैयाँ छाड दियो भने कति रुपैयाँ हामीले तिर्नु पर्छ त? 90 रुपैयाँ हो. त्यही 10 रुपैयाँ के भयो त? डिस्काउन्ट. यस, लुक हियर. It is an amount given to the customer only some percent on the marked price, listed price or level price of any material. It means, and the price which we pay is called selling price, which we pay after discount is called selling price. Your price after discount. नेपालीमा यसलाई भनिन्छ छुट पछिको मूल्य. छुट पछिको मूल्य, जसलाई हामी डाइरेक्टली सेलिङ प्राइस पनि भन्न सक्छौं. इट मीन्स सेलिङ प्राइस इज इक्वल टु मार्क प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट अमाउंट. मार्क प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट अमाउंट, राइट? and discount amount is equal to mark price minus selling price, or mark price is equal to selling price plus discount amount. When discount is always calculated only on mark price, केमा गरिन्छ? Mark price, not in selling price, not in cost price, only on mark price. So when mark price and discount percent are given, then discount amount is equal to discount percent of mark price, and discount percent is equal to discount amount by mark price into 100%, or discount amount is equal to discount percent is equal to discount amount means look here, mark price minus selling price, by mark price into 100%. Direct we can do like this. Next is when mark price and discount percent are given, then how can we find the price after discount or selling price? Price after discount or selling price. Look here, selling price or price after discount, is equal to price after discount is equal to mark price minus discount amount, and that is mark price minus discount amount is equal to discount percent of mark price, and now take the common mark price 1 minus discount percent. Here mark price into 1 minus D by 100, it means MP 100 LCM 100 minus D, यहाँ चिन्ह को लागि therefore SP is equal to MP into 100 minus, यहाँ चिन्ह को लागि मात्रै पर्सेन्ट दिन्छ, बुझ्नु हो, किनकि यहाँ अलरेडी यो चाहिँ डिराइभ भइसकेको छ by 100, right? This is direct formula for selling price, direct formula to find the selling price when mark price and discount percent are given. Next, when selling price and discount percent are given, how can we calculate the mark price? And there is, look here, SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100, or take the cross multiply, MP into 100 minus discount percent is equal to SP into 100, or MP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Is it? Yes. So when SP selling price and discount percent are given, directly we can find mark price by using this formula. Next, Students, practice this formula very clearly at your home, and in the next class we will start the exercise related to selling price, cost price, discount and VAT. So thank you.